Shelby, is that what I think it is? Shelby, it is. It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here.
What?
Come on.
Get this thing in the garage and get it on so Shelby can get it open. Alright.
Okay, so it has come, finally. Shelby worked all summer long for a scooter. She wanted a scooter. I said, no problem, we'll order you a scooter. We looked online, we looked at Amazon, we actually got a good deal on a scooter. But they failed us. Not once, but twice. We ordered the same scooter, and I was unbelievably frustrated. After 6 weeks, 6 very long weeks of waiting for my little girl to get a scooter, it never came. So we picked up the phone and we called this awesome company. After I did a lot of research, we found this awesome company called GT Racing. I'll have the link down in the description. That place was awesome. I called, I could actually speak to a human being. Imagine that. They ordered my scooter, answered all the questions I needed ordered, and we finally decided, and I spent a little bit more money than what I probably should have. But it's really not that bad of a price. And we got an upgraded scooter. The reason I wanted an upgraded scooter is, one, I wanted something that was going to be a little bit faster, not crazy fast, but something a little bit faster for her. Also, on top of that, I wanted something with a little bit more range for her too, because she goes pretty far out with her friends sometimes just walking, and I want to make sure that she has a way home if she ever wants to get home. So this not only gives her mobility, but it also keeps her in line with state laws. With that said, the scooter that we have and we got for her, this isn't like one downtown. This isn't like something that you rent, like a Lime or what's that other one?
Like
I don't know, but
blue ones?
no, they're downtown. But
yeah.
Anyway, so this scooter is pretty slick. Shelby, why don't you tell them about it? So GT Racing, you get a
1 year base warranty.
A 1 year base warranty. What else do you get with it?
400W.
A 400 watt hub motor on this one. Hey, that's actually pretty good. That's really good, actually. A 720 watt battery hour on this. But I'm looking at more than a bunch of stuff. A 12x6 lithium ion battery. It's not a nickel hydrate like what we were looking at. This is a lithium ion battery in this one. It actually has disc braking system front and rear. We're going to do something special with that because it's my little girl's bike. It has ABS braking system on it. It has shocks and struts, so it has a full suspension on the front and the rear of this scooter.
Dowel LED light.
Comes with an LED light.
Tail lights.
Comes with a brake light and tail lights.
Max top speed is 29 miles per hour. Takes 15 hours for it to charge. It goes like 30 miles per hour, but like
my dad doesn't know, but he goes 30 miles an hour. Okay, you gotta get stoked about it. Okay, here, get on this side.
Tubeless tires?
So this has tubeless tires, so actually air-filled tires. It does 29 miles an hour. This thing scoots. It is a scooter, like an actual electric big boy scooter. If you want to call it that, big girl scooter. It has a 31 mile range. So is she going to get 31 miles range out of it on a full charge? Probably not. Probably what's going to happen is she's going to use it at full boat, 29 miles an hour all the time, everywhere she goes. And most likely her range is probably going to be 20 to 25 mile range on a full charge. That's okay, because the township we live in is only 6 miles wide. So that means she can go all the way to the end of the township, turn around and come back full blast, her weight, not have any problem with it. It has 10-inch tubeless tires. We've already talked about that. And it has no problem going up a 28 8-degree range. So, GT Racing scooter is very comparable to what they call the H5. I've looked at these. They're very similar. But here's the difference. This one comes with a better battery. This one, you can actually talk to somebody on the phone. It doesn't have H5, and I forget who that's made by. I'm not ragging on them. But if you look, their price range is significantly higher than GT Racing. So if I'm getting just about the same scooter with better specs for less money, GT Racing is obviously the place to go. I want to give a big, huge shout out to these guys. These guys really put it into place. And I called them, I spoke with someone, we got a scooter ordered. Within 3 days, this thing was sitting here at our driveway. Amazing delivery, almost as good as the other place that screwed us up. You know, it was supposed to be there 5 days later and
never showed up.
6 weeks later, never showed up. I still haven't got my money back for it. I just went ahead and dubbed for this one. I am so glad that this place exists. Now, not only do they have that, but they have other scooters available. They have a racing scooter that Dad's looking at. They also make gaming chairs, awesome gaming chairs. And there's quite a few other things on their sites. Again, we're going to have the link below in the description. Make sure that you check out their page. But this, we paid $429 for, as opposed to the H5, which is very similar. This one's better specs. And that one, you're talking almost a $600 to $700 price range. Well, no kidding. That's why we got this one. So we're going to get this out. And we're going to pimp it out for you. We're pimping out the scooter. So time to get Shelby to unbox this. It's time to unbox it. I'll do down the sides right here. And on this side. Go on. Open it up.
It smells like the car shop. Buddy comes running along.
Whoa.
Damn.
Yeah. Well, Dad did good, huh? So I said, it's not your regular scooter. Oh my God, this thing's heavy.
How am I gonna lock that thing?
Don't, you ride it.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Look at the little calipers, they're so cute. You know what? We might keep those red. That's pretty detailed.
So fancy. I think I like the red.
You know what? I think we might keep it.
I think I like the red.
We're gonna keep the red. We were gonna do pink on the calipers. Dude.
I like the...
So, the whole objective to us doing this video, we wanted to do an unboxing. We wanted to pay a little bit of homage to GT Racing because just to how awesome they were. This is an unsponsored video, by the way. I'm literally giving shout outs to this company. They're not paying me to do this. They didn't give us the scooter for free. I paid for it out of my own pocket. I'm just letting you guys know, look, that place was awesome. Called 1,000 places. That place was awesome. Got us a scooter, a couple days, exactly what we wanted. This thing's pimp. I don't even know how to say that. Give me that razor blade.
I'm actually liking the red though.
I told you this wasn't a shitty scooter, man. Alright. So,
Oh, a fancy pack.
yeah. Let me keep that here. Oh my God.
How heavy is that thing?
Pretty heavy. Just get it out of the garage. Go that way. Oh, you're a good boy. Oops.
Hi, Alex. Hold on, just give it a moment for it to just be in there so we can have the sound effects looking at it.
Whoa.
Wow!
Like your original.
It's shiny.
Your original A good.
It's shiny. Okay. Come on. Man, are you sure you don't want to do these in pink? It really wouldn't take much. It's just.
Are you just going to do those and these things?
Yeah. That was it. That's all I was planning on doing, but they look nice the way they are.
I know. It kind of matches my nails.
Yeah, I was gonna do but they're not even big enough to write your name in them. Alright, cool. Let's leave it. Where's that?
So what are we gonna do with the paint though? Keep it for another project?
Yeah.
Okay.
And what's
here's a
wrong with
headlight.
what's wrong with riding it and
I just decided one day I want to paint.
alright, well.
Let's do this. Oh, user manual.
Dude, that's a heavy duty neck. There.
Oh.
Pretty easy. There's a button right there. That's what that lock is for.
Okay.
Alright. That's for the seat. You're saying you want... I guess we can take that whole plate off. You want the seat?
I kind of want to ride it with it first to see how it feels.
Where's the kickstand on
Here.
this thing? Oh, man.
Oh.
Dude, this thing comes just about fully assembled. It really does. Like that?
Damn.
Put on it. Well, we're still coating it. Wow, that's all it takes? Wow.
Damn. Does it need to be charged right now?
I don't know. The light needs to be put on. So
On battery using life. Yeah.
okay.
Here's my car keys. I think so too. Oh, these are my car keys. These are my car keys. These are my car keys.
Alright, so we can... Jesus.
I feel so fancy. I got my car keys. Oh, they're dead ass, just like car keys. Sweet. Do you think it's stable enough to lick them?
How do we get this thing off?
I don't think that thing's gonna get in my way or anything. You can just keep it there. What if it goes?
Well, I don't want to get in the way of the suspension. That's kind of why I'm worried about it.
The suspension?
Yeah, because this all moves. Alright. Okay, so the whole big thing about this is a big scooter. It's big enough to carry my butt. It's 320 pounds is what you said?
Yes.
So we got everything attached here on the bottom side of it. We were going to paint the shocks, but Shelby likes the red. And honestly, so do I. We were going to do those in pink, but now that we got it here in front of us, huge difference on the way it looks. So we're going to let her ride this, but while it's charging on the battery, we are going to do a ceramic coating on this. We're going to coat it fresh out of the box. So she's going to get to ride it around a little bit, test it. And once we get the top part of it all together, I'm going to ride it just because I want to see how it rides. I'm curious. I carry my fat butt around. we're gonna ride it. We might take this back plate off just to make sure that it's out of her way. But other than that, this is a cool scooter, dude. It really is. But we're gonna coat it, and that way we make sure that it just stays looking good. That's all.